The previous video to this is where I talked about how it can be awkward or hard to edit with TikTok. I usually have a problem when I'm adding multiple text in TikTok, and this video is sort of the part 2 to that. Here I show you how I use a better editing software called Inshot to do my editing.
Let's do it.
So what we're going to do now is sort of recreate that video, at least the editing parts of what we did earlier in TikTok, and do it in Inshot, this one right here. Inshot, let's open it up, click video, and I'm going to try to find the same video as I used earlier. I believe it was this one, and this one. So that's about a 47-second set of videos. So here we are in Inshot's video editor. First thing, there's white bars up and below. So I'm going to change the background color from white to black. Just go over here to backgrounds and click black. There. Alright, one of the great things you can do in Inshot that you cannot do in TikTok is zoom in and out, meaning adjust the canvas. So click this canvas right here. And now you can pinch to zoom out and pinch and go wider to zoom in. So that's a great feature that TikTok does not let you do. See, now I've just zoomed in. My shoes are bigger now. Another benefit is, look at this. When you're in the main editor in TikTok, it just keeps looping and playing. Here, you can click anywhere and it'll pause it. And you can drag your finger left or right through the timeline to get to another spot you want to edit. That kind of control TikTok doesn't give you, and it's really important for me to have this control. TikTok makes you wait, for a full cycle to get to the same spot you wanted to just like a second ago. But here, you don't have to wait. You can just go right back to it. Okay, the next feature I want to show you is adding text or stickers. So let's add a text. Click the text right here. Input your text. You can change the colors by clicking the color wheel, that or that. Let's keep it at red, which is down here. There's different options here. Then I do the check mark. Now I can drag it anywhere. I can control the size of this by using this little arrow on the lower right, and I can control the rotation. Bring it here. Okay, you can see down here in this area, it defaulted this walking text to a few seconds. You can change the length of the text by dragging the edges of it like that, or the right side part of it like that. And to reposition it, long press on it. When it turns like that, you can drag it around now. So that's how it works in Inshot. Most text anyway only lasts a few seconds, and it's better this way as opposed to TikTok, which makes it the full length of your video, and then you have to sort of crop it. But I like this system better. Let's click OK with the check mark. If you wanted to add another text, just position your playhead where you want to add it. Let's add it here. Click the text and click the green text over here and type it in. Dinos. Let's change the color of that. I just clicked that color wheel, and let's click the yellow style. Say OK to it. So it added, as you can see, another text on that same sort of track as this text over here, walking text. It added another text here for the dinos. And again, I can move that by long pressing and moving it here. And the other thing is, just in case you wanted to overlap some text together, you can bring that text up to another track and over the walking text, and it's going to overlap. So watch this. Walking, and then dinos, there's dinos in the middle, and done. See, that's a much better way of handling text with the ability to use multiple tracks. That's great. I love that. Remember, in TikTok, when you shorten up your text and you go back to the main editor, that text is no longer visible, you're going to have to wait till the video cycles through again until it loops back to that text. Then you can select it to edit it. Here you can just select it whenever you want. You don't need to wait for the loop. You can just, swipe here or there and find your text that you're looking to edit. Much better system than TikTok. So what you can do is use Inshot for these kinds of things. The stickers work the same way. I'll show you. Let's add a sticker. Click the sticker. Let's click the fire. Drag it somewhere. Check mark. So as you can see, it added the fire sticker on another layer track above the dino text. Let's play that in this panel. Walking text, dinos, then fire. This is the way most advanced editors work. They give you multiple tracks to work with so you can overlap things and make it easier, and visually it makes more sense to you how you're editing the entire project, while TikTok is only a one-track kind of style editing. Okay, the text and the sticker work the same. You can choose some music here in Inshot, but Inshot's strength doesn't lie in the music. That's why TikTok is great for music, because it has so many selections. If you wanted to add some sounds, you could do it here through music, but you could just keep it blank and add your music in TikTok because it has so much more music in their database. For added editing capability, you can trim, cut, and split videos here. This is the 40-second long video right here. Let's trim it. Click the scissors. You see the option for trim, cut, and split. In TikTok, you can only trim the ends of it. Here, you can also cut. For example, I only want this section. You just drag the sides, and that's trim. But if you want to reverse that, that's the part you want to cut out. You press cut, and that area is blackened out, and the ones on the sides will be the one to display. That's it. Inshot gives you a lot more options for editing. There's other things I didn't get through, but maybe one day I'll have another video for all these other features, but that's the gist of it, and that's why I use Inshot to do my editing if I need lots of edits before I bring it into TikTok. Thanks for watching.